Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 data handling, especially probability. Okay, exercise 5.3 question number 4. Question number 4 है a wire has 7 red balls, 5 blue balls and 3 green balls. One ball is drawn at random from the wire. Find the probability of getting a red ball, a green ball, not blue ball. Okay. So first, in this question, this is given that in a wire have 3 kinds of balls: blue, green, and red. Number of red balls 7. Number of blue balls is 5, and number of green balls is 3. Okay, so total number of balls in a wire is 7 plus 5 plus 3. This is equal to 15. So in this way you can say the all possible outcomes is 15. According to conditions, our favorable outcomes will change. Such as if you find the probability of getting a red balls, then the favorable outcomes is 7, because in these bags I have 7 red balls. Okay, so let's see. I repeat this question again. A bag has 7 red balls, 5 blue balls, and 3 green balls. On one ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability of getting a red ball, a green ball, and not a blue ball? Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So first to write total number of all possible, total number of balls in the bag. Okay, total number of balls, total number of balls in the bag. So in this question this is given 7 red ball, okay, plus 5, 7 red ball, 5 blue ball, and plus 3 green balls. Okay, 3 green balls, 5 blue balls, and 7 red balls. So in this way, you can say total number of outcomes. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 15. Clear? So you can write total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes in this event, or you can say all possible outcomes. Total number of outcomes is equal to number of balls is in the bags. So how many balls in the bags? 15 balls in the bag. Okay. The first part of this question, we need to find the probability of first part is that. Okay, what is the first part? Find the probability getting a red balls. Okay, the event is getting a red balls. Okay, so the number of red balls in the bags. How many red balls in the bag? The number of red ball in the bag. This is good. 7. In these questions, the number of red ball in the bag is 7. This is given. So you can write here the number of favorable outcomes. The number are favorable outcomes is equal to 7. Total number of outcomes is 15 and the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 7. So in this question we need to find probability of getting a red bar. So how can we find the probability of getting a red bar? We write here probability of, we can write like this. Probability of getting red bar is equal to probability of getting a red bar is equal to, how to find the probability? We can write here probability number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, so we can write here number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, so how many favorable outcomes here? Here 7 is the favorable outcome, so we can write here 7 by total outcomes is 15, so we write here 15. So 7 by 15 is the probability getting a red ball. Okay, I repeat this question again. In this question this is given that a bag has 7 red balls, 5 blue balls and 3 green balls. Find the probability. One ball is drawn at random from the bag. One ball is drawn at random from the bag. Then find the probability of getting a red ball. So first you find the total number of balls in the bag is sum of 3 types of balls, means 7 plus 5 plus 3. 7 is red balls, 5 balls is green balls, blue balls and 3 is green balls. So total number of balls is 15. So in this way you can say, because 15 balls in this bag, so you can draw the balls from the bag is 15 times. Okay, so you can say all possible outcomes. What is the all possible outcomes? All possible outcomes is 15. Okay, so this event, the event is getting a red ball. The event is getting a red ball. So number of red ball in the bag, the number of red ball in the bag is 7. So the number of favorable outcomes, because the red ball, we draw red ball, so our favorable outcomes is the number of red balls. So this is equal to 7. And as you know that the getting a red ball, probability of getting a red ball, this is equal to what? This is formula to find probability. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes is the total number of red balls. This is equal to 7, and total number of outcomes, this is equal to total balls in the bag. This is equal to 15. So in this way you can see, you find the probability of getting red ball is 7 by 15. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss second part of this question. Find the probability getting a green ball. So okay, so let's see how to find the probability of getting a green ball. This is clear now. How many balls Number of balls of green balls in this bag is 5. This is given in question. How many balls in the bag? This is 5 balls in the bag. Okay, this is given. Now, so first total number of balls you know very well in the bag is, you know very well, 5. 7 plus 5 plus 15, 3. This is equal to 15. Also you can say this is a, what is this? This is a all possible outcomes. Okay, so here we can write that so total number of ball is equal to 7 red ball, 5 blue ball plus 3 green ball. This is equal to 50. Okay, now you can write the all possible outcomes. What to write here? All possible outcomes. The total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. This is equal to 15 because in the bags have 15 balls. You can draw the 15 types balls. 15 times the balls. Okay. Now, so the second part of this question is there. What is the second part? The event is getting a green ball. The event is getting a green balls. The event is getting a green balls. This is clear now. So the number of green balls in the bag. How many green balls in the bag? 5. Here you write the number of green ball. The number of green balls in the bag is equal to 5. How many green balls in the bag? 5 green balls in the bag. The number of favorable outcomes. So what is the number of favorable outcomes? So therefore you can say the number of favorable outcomes is equal to 5. Here the number of favorable outcomes, this is equal to what? This is equal to 5. Okay, now so we find the probability of getting a green balls. Okay, probability of getting a green balls. Clear? Probability of getting a green ball. Probability of getting a green ball. Probability of getting a green ball is equal to, you can write here, what you write here? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, or you can say all possible outcomes. All possible outcomes, both are same. So all possible outcomes are, total number of outcomes is 15 and number of favorable outcomes is 5. So 5 by 15. Or if you cancel with them, you have to near 1 by 3. So in this way, you can say the probability of getting a green balls, this is equal to 1 by 3. This is clear? Now, the third part, find the probability of getting a not a blue ball. So number of blue ball here, how many blue ball here? 3. Number of blue ball here, 3. So not getting a blue ball, it means that the event is getting a non blue ball. The total number of non blue ball is equal to 7 plus 5. This is equal to 12. Okay, so let's see how to find the probability of getting not a blue ball. Okay. Now, so I hope all of you understood. This is the second part of this question paper. Now, we are going to discuss third part of this exercise. 14.3, question number 4. Chapter data handling, especially probability. Okay. In your class, probability and data handling and in same chapters. So we write the chapter's name is probability, not data handling. Okay. Sorry, data handling, not probability. This is question number third part of this question. What is third part? The event is getting a non-blue ball. Okay. In this event, the event is getting non-blue ball. The event is getting non-blue ball. So the number of non-blue balls in the bag. The number of non-blue ball in the bag is equal to what? Bag have 3 types ball: red ball, blue ball, green ball. 7 red ball. Red ball is 7. Red ball is equal to 7, and green ball balls is equal to 5, and blue ball balls is equal to 3. So number of non-blue balls in the bag. So this is 3 blue balls, and this both are non-blue ball. This is red ball, this is green ball. Both are non-blue ball. So you can write here 7 plus 5. So you can see here this is equal to 12. Okay. So 12 balls is non-blue balls in the bag. How many balls? Non-blue balls in the bag? You can say 12. 12 balls is non-blue balls in the bag. Okay. So you can write here the number of favorable outcomes. What is the number of favorable outcomes? Number of favorable outcomes is equal to what? 12, and all possible outcomes is equal to 15, because in this bag the 15 balls. So all possible total number of outcomes is 15, and number of favorable outcomes is 12. So you need to find here what? Probability of getting non-blue ball. So that is this represents probability, P represents probability of getting not a blue ball. Not a blue ball. So for this, I will write here the number of probable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes, total outcomes. This is equal to number of probable outcomes is, here you can see 12 and total outcomes is 15. If you cancel this, then you obtain 3 4 ja and 3 5 ja. So your required probability 4 by 5. What is your required probability? This is equal to 4 by 5. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question. What have in next questions? Okay. So next question is related in the well shuffled pack of card, playing cards. Okay. So you know very well the number of card in playing card is 52. The 52 cards, it have two colors. Means playing card have two colors, red and black. So you can say 26 card is red color and 26 card is black color. It have four types. How many types? It have four types. Four types. These types are diamond, heart, club and spade. Okay. Club and spade have black color, diamond and heart is red colors. Okay. And 12 face card. Each type's card have 3 face card. In this way, in whole card, you can say 12 face card. 12 face card is in a whole face card, and each types are king, jack and queen is the face card of each types. For example, diamond have 3 face card, heart have also 3 face card, club and spade also have 3 face card, and each have as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, kings. All 4 types. So in this way you can see each types have 13 cards. Okay, each types have 13 cards. So one question we are going to solve related to playing card. So let's see what have the question number 5. Question number 5 have a card is drawn from a well shuffled. A card is drawn from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Find the probability of getting a red king, a face card, a card of heart. So king in whole cards, in one pack of playing cards have 4 kings. Okay, 12 face card and a card of heart is 13. Okay, so we need to find the probability of each case. So let's see. First we erase them. After this we find the probability related to playing cards. Okay, I hope all of you understood this question. Now, in each type of cards, which a card pack have 52 cards and it have 2 colors, red and black. 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. Okay, whole pack has 12 face cards, 13 spade card, 13 diamond card, 13 club, 13 heart cards. Okay, this is question number 5. This is the question number 5. Okay, in this question this is given a playing cards. So there are 52 playing cards. Number of cards in playing cards. So here number of cards in a playing 52 cards in a playing cards. Okay, so you can see the total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So you can say a total number of outcomes. Outcomes is equal to 52. Total number of outcomes is equal to what? 52. Okay. This is clear. Now, the first condition is that find the probability getting a red king. Okay. So we are right. This is first condition. What is first condition? The event is getting a red king. Okay. And the event is getting a red king. Okay. So in whole cards have 4 king. 2 cards is red king and 2 cards is black kings. Okay. So there are 2 red kings in whole card. There are 2 red king. Okay. In whole pack we have a 4 red king, 2 black king and 2 red king. So you can say the number of favorable outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes is equal to 2 because 2 card have a red king card. Okay, and all possible total number of outcomes 52. This is clear. So you find the probability of getting a red king. So therefore probability of getting a red king. Okay, so probability of getting a red king is equal to what? 2 is probability. 2 is the possible favorable outcomes and all possible outcomes 52. This is equal to what? 1 by 26. 1 by 26 is the probability of getting two red king. Okay. Second part of this question is a face card. So you know very well how many face card in the playing card? 12. Okay. The event is getting a face card. There are 12 face card in 4K. Okay. In which 4 kings, 4 queen and 4 jack. Okay. So number of favorable outcomes is 12. This is clear? Now the second part of this question. Second part, we find the probability of getting a face card. Face card. Okay. So total number of face card in playing card is 12 and total number of face card in playing card is 12. Then you can say this is the favorable outcomes 12 and total outcome is 52. If you cancel them by 4, then you obtain 3 by 13. This is 3 by 13 is the probability of getting a face card. Okay. Now again the third part, you need to find probability of getting Probability of getting a heart card. A card of heart. A card of heart. Card of heart. This is equal to what? How many cards of heart in playing card? 13. So you write here 13. This is a favorable outcome. All possible outcomes is 20, 52. This is equal to 1 by 4. So in this way, you can say the probability of getting card of heart is 1 by 4. So student, I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.